Hello, welcome to week 5. And this week we're going to talk about engaging your core muscles. So that is your deep abdominal muscles. Sometimes in class you'll hear me tell you to zip and hollow or to brace your abdominals, and obviously sometimes to engage your core. So, a couple of ways we can do this. You can do it standing, you can do it seated, or you can do it when we're lying down on the floor. What I want you to do in this instance is lie down on the floor if you can, feet hip width apart, so centre of the ankles, centre of the knees, centre of the hips in line. I want you to ensure you've got your neutral spine. And what I'm going to get you to do is just be aware of the breathing as you breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just breathing in. And what I want you to do is really concentrate on the lower part of your abdominal muscles, or the lower part of your abdomen. As you breathe out, you should feel the deep abdominal muscles start to engage. So be aware of that in the next few breaths. Try and keep your head relaxed down, your upper body relaxed, your shoulder blades are pushed into the mat. Okay, so next time I'm going to get you to breathe in, and as you breathe out again, start to engage your pelvic floor and pull your belly button towards your spine without allowing your back to move from neutral. And release. Let's try that again. Next time you're going to hold it once it's in, but keep breathing. So start by taking a breath in to prepare. As you breathe out, start to engage your pelvic floor and pull your belly button towards your spine. And carry on breathing in and out. Hold it for a couple of breaths. And relax. So here we are trying to engage the deep abdominal muscles, the transverse abdominis. So I want to check that you are doing this correctly. So if you remember when we did the neutral spine and we did our pelvic tilt exercise, we put the heel of our hand on our hip bones. So what I want you to do now is put your fingers just on that bony part of your hips, on the front of your body, and just let your fingers move inward slightly and dip down into the edge of your stomach, so off the edge of your hip bone, pelvis, into the edge of your stomach. And then we're going to do that breathing again. With your fingers in this position, you should feel, as you do that zip and hollow movement, that your fingers dip either down towards the floor or slightly up towards your head, so upwards along your body. If they bulge up away from your spine, up towards the ceiling, you're actually using the oblique muscles, which are in the side of your abdomen. So really concentrate on getting that right muscle. If you struggle with this one, obviously speak to me in class. This is quite a difficult one to teach. It's quite a difficult one to get the hang of. Once you've got the hang of it, it really will help. Your posture. If you're struggling with back pain, it is often one of the things that is causing back pain is this muscle being weak. It's not the only thing that can cause it, but it often is the muscle that causes the problem. Any queries? We've got one more week in class this term. Just come along and ask me. See you next week.